TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow down 8, NASDAQ's down 22, S&Ps are off 5.5. Gold contract is down $4.90, traded at $1,194. You got the silver down 8 cents at $16.21. Bonds are going to, there's a huge amount of information that the market's releasing right here, right now. We're going to go through this. Bonds, the 10 years up 19 ticks at 129.18 with conviction, wide price spread, accelerated volume. It had already rejected lower price. It looks like bonds, the 10-year, folks, not only wants to take out its high, it looks like it's going to go to 133. The 30-year is almost up 2 points. We're up 1 point and 26 ticks at 165.09. Also with wide price spread, accelerated volume. And King Dollar is down 900 ticks at 98.65. What King Dollar's done is this. King Dollar rejected its high yesterday, the March 18th benchmark. Come off that high with volume expanding. What that says, probability goes much higher that King Dollar's topped out. Euro is up 108 at 106.75, and the yen is down 81 at 119.32. If we go over to the S&Ps first, we'll take a look at the just the cash S&P. What you had failures across the markets, all the markets yesterday. What we did is that we got above the benchmark of the 25th of March. That benchmark was 2097.43. You got to 2107. Gave it up, closed at the 2092. Now, what you'll be looking for out here today, if you're a bull, you're looking for a contraction of volume coming right into the 2086 area. If you're a bear, you're looking for an expansion of volume. And what it looks like is that we're going to trade down to the lower end of the consolidation, which is the 1972 area. That's where this baby wants to come down to. That is in your S&Ps. Now, let's go to the bond market. The bond market, folks, is screaming. And it is screaming. Bottom line is that rates are going to go lower no matter what the Fed wants to do, says to do, and all of the above. The 10-year right now, she's screaming topside. It's already done 667,000 contracts. That baby, okay, only did yesterday 775,000 on the way down. She only needs basically 400,000, well, let's say 800,000 to take a B point out of an ABC structure on the way up. That would bring it over the highs that have been generated thus far, meaning the January 30th high. And I expect that's exactly where we're going. Gold's a beautiful thing, folks. Gold continues to reject lower price. Gold traded as low as 1183 out here today. Had rejected lower price, is going to do it. We'll see whether it's going to be lighter volume because we're going into 151,000 contracts. Thus far, we'll have done 116,000. What gold hadn't done, though, which is positive in the gold market, is this. Is that the sign of strength from the 1st of April, the bottom of that is 1180, the top of that is 1208. Bottom line, you're going forward with conviction. I suspect this is also an ABC structure on the way up. We'll see how it takes out the 1224.50 mark. Now, King Dollar is releasing the information. King Dollar also was the first to release the information yesterday. What we have with King Dollar is this. The March 18th swing point is crucial, 100.12. Yesterday, you got to 100.27. You rejected that high. You had dramatically lighter volume. Yesterday, we did 57,000 contracts versus 102,000 contracts. And what do we have today? You get an expansion of volume. We're doing 42,000 contracts. It's only 10 o'clock in the morning. Bottom line, this is the second time you're going to come off the highs with volume. What does that set up? That sets up probability King Dollar has topped out. Why? You did a 1 to 2 ABC structure on the way up. You hit 100.78. You jump off that with volume. You come back with lighter volume. You jump off that with volume again. Guess what, folks? Bottom line, King Dollar's going down. Gold's going up. Market's going down. Bonds are going up. This 10-minute update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great one. Have a safe one. Look forward to speaking right back here tomorrow, 10 a.m.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.